Hi friends, welcome to Shazi Educational TV. Today, we're going to learn alphabet letters with fun. Are you ready? Let's go!
Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for antlers on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.